Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download 3D tour creation with Matterport for investor marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Matterport website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Sign in to your Matterport account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Create button on your dashboard. Select New Model to start a new 3D tour project. Download the Matterport Capture app if you haven't already. Open the app on your device and sign in with your Matterport credentials. Prepare your space for scanning by clearing any obstructions. Follow the app's step-by-step instructions to set up your camera. Begin scanning your space by positioning the camera in the first capture point. Continue moving the camera to different locations as prompted by the app. Ensure overlapping coverage between scans for optimal 3D modeling. Once you've completed scanning, return to the app's main menu. Select Upload to securely transfer your 3D scans to Matterport's cloud. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take some time depending on the size of your project. After the upload, your 3D tour will begin processing automatically. Once processing is complete, you'll receive a notification via email. Log back into your Matterport account to view your completed tour. Preview the 3D model to ensure everything is accurate and to your satisfaction. Use the editing tools available to enhance your tour if needed. Configure additional settings like enabling or disabling sharing options. Generate a unique link or embed code for your tour for marketing purposes. Share the link with potential investors or embed it on your website. Monitor engagement with your tour through Matterport Analytics. Make adjustments based on feedback or viewing statistics as necessary. Stay updated with Matterport's latest features to enhance future tours. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.